PGW is everything auto glass. With a deep history dating back to 1883, we have long been a cornerstone of the glass industry. From our early days as a leading glass manufacturer to today's reach with more than 150 auto glass branches across the US and Canada, PGW Auto Glass has the largest auto glass distribution network in North America, focusing on coast-to-coast coverage. We built our network of distribution centers to act as hubs for the branch locations in their geographic area so that our inventory is easily accessible to our customers. By strategically placing these locations, PGW Auto Glass ensures that the correct auto glass part is available for delivery, enabling our more than 10,000 customers to provide exceptional service to their retail customers without delay. Our network includes state-of-the-art distribution centers in Pennsylvania, Ohio, Texas, Arizona, Quebec, and British Columbia. With an extensive network of more than 150 locations and almost 4 million square feet of distribution space across North America, PGW can deliver the windshield needed to install and calibrate perfectly every time. PGW Auto Glass is also leading the way with new technology to benefit our customers with our premium online ordering website, featuring advanced part search capabilities and extensive product information. This website is specifically designed to assist our customers in accurately identifying the correct parts and placing orders at any time of day. In addition to our website, our Everything Auto Glass business platform offers the most comprehensive auto glass shop management resource available. This robust application provides our customers with a wide array of business tools designed to support their success, whether they run a single shop or multiple locations. Everything Auto Glass was created to provide auto glass companies with a low-cost, advanced technology platform that encompasses all aspects of retail shop management. Users are able to efficiently manage invoicing, scheduling, business operations, payment processing, and more. In addition, the platform allows users to determine the exact part needed with a 99% accuracy rate. This means that with Everything Auto Glass, PGW delivers the technology required for our customers to achieve efficiency and profitability. With a deep history in the glass industry, the new PGW has positioned itself for an exciting future as the technology leader in auto glass. At PGW, our customers can count on us for everything auto glass.